Hi, I'm Sean with the Insurance Center, and it can be difficult completing applications and questionnaires. We're going to do a step-by-step video to make this trampoline park questionnaire simple for you. For any of you looking for our application, you can find it on our website at insuretrampolineparks.com. It's under the application, and you can either do a Word document or a PDF. And so we're trying to make it simple just for you. Let's dive in and let's take a look at the application. You'll notice that the first 13 questions are basic information. The points that most people are missing are number 3, and so tell us about your trampoline park. You're going to have extra things besides trampolines. Let us know that there's a ninja course, that there's a bag drop, there's rock climbing. Whatever you have in your park to make you unique, please let us know on number 3. We also want to know who your manufacturer is. It does make a difference. And so depending upon who it is, we can get you discounts. Now, questions 14 through 28 are dealing with your employees. We want to know how many you have, what the payroll is, and you may be a new park, and so you don't know, but we need to have those estimates because some of the carriers that we represent will look at that and base that on their rating factors. Do you have an employee handbook? This is crucial. And are you following it? Because insurance companies want to know that you're following what you say you're going to do. As an employee or your lifeguards or your monitors, they are the #1 asset because they're going to protect you in the event of a claim. They're going to be your biggest help. Now, moving on down to questions 29 through 39. These are activities that are inside your park. Again, 34 is similar, telling us about what you have in your park. And do you have overnight activities on 33? Insurance companies don't like this. There's lack of supervision, and so we would prefer you not to do that. If you do that, we'll have some discussions to help you out under those circumstances. Now, questions 40 through 58 are in regards to the building. Oftentimes we get questions, well, what does it matter of what the building is? I'm renting it, I don't own it, but it does matter because if you have an old roof and you may have a leak, we don't want that to cause damage to your trampoline parks or have a roof cave in. So the insurance companies are still wanting to know about the building. The more information you can give us, the better it is. Because what our job is to paint a picture for the underwriters of the insurance companies. We represent multiple insurance carriers, not just one, and so we're going to send your trampoline park questionnaire out to bid. And the more information and the better detailed information it is, the better it is for us. We also need to know on question 47, what's the value of your park? What's the value of the contents of your trampoline parks, of all of your activities? Please let us know. Then right at the end, we're going to talk about policy information. If you currently have a policy, we want to know because as we're sending it out to bid to other carriers, we don't want to send it to the carrier you have. And if you don't have insurance now because you're a new park, no problem. We can still take care of that. Notice on the last page, 4.4, it's dealing with operational receipts. Please break those down. We have ways in which we can save you money if we have them broken down properly. Don't just give us, we're going to do $2.5 million of sales and that's it. Please try to break that down so that we can take care of you from a premium standpoint and get the coverage that you need. Then finally, there is a lot of documentation that you're going to have to send us, and those are the attachments. The court maintenance, the court rules, management guides, employee handbooks, waivers. Waivers are a key portion of protecting you. Many of the carriers now, if you don't have a waiver, there's no coverage. So we want to make sure that you have the waiver. Online waivers are fine, of course. Now, once you have this all completed, you can do one of two things. You're welcome to fax it to us at 801-621-5763, or you can email it back to us at info@insuretrampolineparks.com. Thanks for completing this questionnaire. We're going to take good care of you, and we're going to get the coverage that you need at prices that you can afford.